Today we are going to write 10 sentences on National Unity Day. National Unity Day is popularly known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. It is observed on 31st October each year. This day marks the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is known for spreading integrity. He will always remain the motivation for unity for every Indian. The National Unity Day was started in 2014 by the Government of India. A program named Run for Unity was flagged off in 2014. Each year, various campaigns are organized for the day. The Government of India inaugurated the Statue of Unity in 2018. This day promotes unity and harmony among people. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.